Please refer to the video on the left to install the latch correctly. Pull the cam toward right. Please ensure that the latch hole is located in the center of the door opening during installation. Install latch in door with supplied screws. Insert the keypad into the door through the hub of the latch and pass the LC wire under the latch to the interior side of the door. Install the backplate with 3 backplate screws. Connect the LC wiring, the exterior assembly into the interior assembly. Secure the interior assembly on the backplate with 2 interior assembly screws. Install a new 9-vehicle battery. Installation complete.